This is a treadmill. I run on the treadmill for 20 minutes every morning. These are dumbbells. He lifts dumbbells to strengthen his arms. This is a barbell. He does barbell squats to work on his legs. This is an exercise bike. I use the exercise bike for cardio workouts. This is a rowing machine. The rowing machine helps build both upper and lower body strength. This is an elliptical trainer. He prefers the elliptical trainer to avoid joint pain. This is a leg press machine. The leg press machine helps build strong thigh muscles. This is a chest press machine. I use chest presses to work on my upper body. This is a kettlebell. Kettlebell exercises are great for full body strength. This is a pull-up bar. I can do 20 pull-ups on the bar. These are resistance bands. Resistance bands are useful for warm-ups and muscle training. This is a yoga mat. She brings her own yoga mat for stretching after her workout. This is a foam roller. I use the foam roller after workouts to relax my muscles. This is a skipping rope. Skipping rope is a fun way to burn calories. This is a medicine ball. They use a medicine ball during group workouts. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for the latest videos.